Welcome to Preform Line Products. This video covers the installation of the SAFETY GUY-WIRE dispenser. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please be sure to carefully read and understand the associated application procedure, available at preformed.com. The SAFETY GUY-WIRE dispenser is available in two sizes. The standard size, which is for use on wire coils with girths up to 63 inches, and the jumbo size, which is for use with wire coils with girths up to 75 inches. Please be sure to select the proper guy-wire dispenser size before applying to the product. Start by placing the guy-wire dispenser on the ground and folding out each of the four legs. Once the four legs are laid flat, place the banded coil centered on the top of the dispenser and fold each arm over toward the center of the coil. Grab a tool, such as a long screwdriver, and insert it through each of the four legs and begin to twist into a knot. It is not necessary to tighten down the legs all the way, as long as the legs are firmly knotted and the dispenser is secure. Turn the dispenser over and cut the banding so that the coil may loosen and expand to fill out the cage of the dispenser. With the wire freed, you may now draw out the required strand. After you cut the strand, simply place the loose end back into the dispenser, and the wire is now secure for transporting. This product may be used with strand, cable, smooth wire or barbed wire, and small conductors. All safety guidelines set forth in the appropriate application procedure for this product must be reviewed and followed prior to installing this product. The installation shown is intended to illustrate the application method of the product only. It is not intended to supersede any company construction or safety standards or the use of required protective equipment.